Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be making lemonade cupcakes. These are the perfect dessert for summer, super refreshing and super easy to make. So here we go. So I've got my 4 cupcakes here that I'm going to be working with today. I use the Baking with Blondie lemon bar cake recipe, which I'll leave in the description below. It's super delicious. Definitely one you're going to want to make for the summer. Next, I've already got my pre-made lemon buttercream and vanilla buttercream that I tinted with pink. So I'll show you how to combine these and make a perfect swirl. I've got my piping bag and a Wilton 1M tip. To top it off, I've got a Drenched in diamonds, which is a glittery sugar and makes everything look very glamorous. First thing we're going to want to do is we are going to combine our yellow lemon buttercream with our pink vanilla buttercream. Now my favorite way to do this is to use plastic wrap. Some people like to put it right into the piping bag, but I find it much easier this way and it's a lot less messy. A nice long strip. Do a nice roll. Make sure it's all nice and tight. I like to just give it a good spin to make sure it's all together. Not up one side, just to make sure nothing's spilling out the other end. So to fit the piping bag, I just roll over the top like this. Drop the tip, squeeze it to the bottom, and then I just like to score where I want to make my cut. So I don't make a hole that's too big because then the tip will just squeeze right out. So cut that right off. There we go. Then you're going to take your yellow and pink buttercream and drop it right in. Okay. Make sure it goes bottom. You can go ahead and do a test. Nice pink and yellow. Okay. And hold it just above the cake. You don't want it to go on the cake, just above. And lightly squeeze it out, drag it around, and then lift. And there you go. Beautiful lemonade cupcake. After this, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this Drenched in diamonds. So I think it gives it a nice, like, shimmery, summery look. So pretty. Okay. Now I'm just going to use my simple bendy straw that I chose a yellow color because I have assorted colors. I'm just going to cut it just a little bit, just to make a little, just for a little piece of a straw. And I'll even pull the bendy part out because that's cute. And there you have it. A simple, summery lemonade cupcake.